In this video, I will show you how to add presets in Premiere Pro. If you have downloaded a preset file and want to add it to Premiere Pro, start by opening File Explorer. Then go to the folder where you downloaded the preset file. If it is a zip file, open it and drag the preset file outside the zip folder to extract it. Once you have the preset file, you can copy it and go to the folder where you have installed Premiere Pro. You can also create a folder anywhere on your computer and paste the preset there. Inside the Premiere Pro installation folder, look for the Presets folder. Once you find it, paste the copied preset file. Now, open Premiere Pro. In the Effects panel, expand the Presets folder, then right-click and select Import Presets. Locate the preset file that you just pasted in the folder. Once you find it, select it and click Open. As you can see, the preset file is now added to Premiere Pro. And that is how you can add presets. Thanks for watching.